बट क्या आपने कभी 28 साल के आदमी को हेलीकॉप्टर पेरेंटिंग उससे जूझते देखा है? आज हम एक और दायरे को देखने वाले हैं जिसको कहते हैं whimsical पर्सनालिटी। नाउ ये है क्या और कैसे आज लीना जी इस चैलेंज को पूरा करने वाली हैं?
Hi, I'm Parag. I work as a software consultant at IBM USA. I'm looking for an Indian bride, sweet little innocent Indian bride.
Namaste, I'm Rita from India. I'm a physiotherapist and my parents has found a beautiful room for me from US. It's their wish. US, NRI, wealthy, settled, right? And we're married. Parag, I think you know you are 28.
Of course, I know.
And I hope you know what are you doing at home. I mean, you can close your door when you're peeing. Mother is around.
What are you talking about, Rita? She's my mother.
She is your mother. But then you're 28, you're grown up, you're professional, you're educated person. She's helping you bathe.
Since I'm grown up, वो मेरी माँ है. बचपन से मुझे खाना खिलाती आई है. मैं उसके लिए हमेशा बच्चा ही रहूंगा, रीटा. And in fact, you are my wife. तो जैसे मेरी माँ मेरे लिए है वैसे ही तुम्हारे लिए भी है.
पराग, ये मेरी समझ से बाहर है कि वो तुम्हें खाना खिलाती है, नहलाती है. I mean, मुझे मम्मा से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर ये है क्या? I mean, don't you understand? You're a grown-up boy and you're living together. This is out of my understanding.
Don't worry. You will get used to it.
Huh?
It's completely normal. और देखो, तुम जहां भी जाओगी, मामा के साथ में जाओगी, okay?
What?
Yes.
Now you're going to spy on me.
There's nothing about spying. Can you see? The cameras are everywhere. You cannot escape, Rita. We are a family. Me, mother, you know, love triangle. We are together always. मम्मा जैसा मेरा ख्याल रखती है वैसे ही तुम्हारा भी रखेंगी.
Oh, please. This can't be. You're saying this is normal, Parag. Grow up.
Yes, it is normal. It is normal, Rita. Just be calm and have patience.
लीना जी, what is happening now? This is a serious situation out here. क्या करें?
What happened?
I'm sure you must have heard Parag and Rita, and I don't know, but I am with Rita this time. Usually I don't take sides, but आपने सुना ना? I don't even want to repeat. Peeing, bathing.
Let us not judge anyone, but
Yeah.
let's have a talk with Rita.
I have to ask her if she's comfortable because this is way too embarrassing.
Yeah, it is.
Rita, would you like to take coaching with Lena Paranjpe, the Millennium Marriage Coach?
You know what? Poonam, I know you, but then I'm really depressed and I'm like,
I mean, this is so hard to even express yourself to a stranger. I know, but let's just find courage, gather courage, and just somehow, just last try, huh? Just last try. Otherwise, we'll find some solutions, some other solutions, right? Permanent ones. I'm with you. I'm waiting outside, huh? And anytime you need me, I'm there.
Before moving ahead, would you like to gain your confidence back? How about getting that self-confidence, self-identity, self-respect, gain that power and then move on?
all sounds like a music to me right now. And I don't know if I'm ready.
Take your time and help yourself. To come out of this situation is completely very difficult. But do you feel it is necessary for you?
Yes.
It is. So to make it necessary, you need to gain that power back. Because you yourself will empower. You yourself will take the decision and you yourself will stand for yourself. You are going to help yourself. Whatever you have gone through, normal person cannot even imagine. Yeah? Okay? So stand for yourself. Gain your confidence back, courage back, and just go for it. Let us meet in the next coaching session. Yeah? Till then, the assignments which I have given you, complete those. And promise yourself that you will see the next version of yourself. You will always be happy to see the next version. Yeah? Great. Thank you.
Thank you, Leena ji.
Sometimes we need to cut the body part after serious injury to save life. Here, Rita had happily decided to cut that tied knot to save her life. Finally, when she gained her confidence and her senses back out of shock, she had finally taken the decision to come out of her wedding bleeding marriage, which never had few moments of happiness, to think again before taking this step. सोचा जान लिया तुमको, सोचा जान लिया तुमको, पर जाना तब जब पीछे खाई और आगे कुआं। माँ, माँ प्यार से भी प्यारी तू, प्यार की परिभाषा तू, फिर ये रूप तेरा, नारी तू, नारी मैं, फिर मैं पराई क्यों? फिर ये ना समझी क्यों? बेटा अब किसी का जीवन साथी हो चला, ये समझना इतना भारी क्यों? अरे बेटा अब बड़ा हो गया, ये दिखता क्यों नहीं? ये मैं एक कैद में क्यों? ये यहाँ घुटन हो रही, अब सहना लगता जुल्म। मैं उड़ चली, मिलते ही पहली उड़ान। कुछ पल का साथ सिर्फ अपने साथ, कर गया अपना काम, काट कर जैसे शरीर का एक भाग, खिल उठी फिर, जी रही फिर जिंदा हो चली, जिंदा दिली के साथ।